Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's Stacy here, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys a powerful hair growth mask that can also help with dryness and frizzy hair. So to make this mask I'll be using spirulina. So yeah, I have spirulina flakes which I'm going to use for this mask. To know more about spirulina, make sure you keep watching this video till the end because I'm going to explain all of that. I'll also be using 2 bananas in this mask, so I'll just go ahead and peel off the skin, and then I'll proceed to chopping the bananas off into smaller pieces. Banana does a great job in promoting hair growth as it is rich in vitamins, calcium, potassium, and natural oils that help with the overall nourishment of the hair. It promotes shiny, silky hair with great elasticity and controls frizz. Bananas also help to treat dandruff and minimizes hair fall. It also helps to soothe sensitive scalp. So yeah, that's why I'm including banana in this treatment. So I'll go ahead and place the bananas in a blender cup and then pour in my spirulina flakes into the cup as well. So yeah, moving on, I'm going to go ahead and add apple cider vinegar. There's a reason why I'm using apple cider vinegar, which I'll explain shortly. So yeah, I'll just go ahead and pour in about a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar into the blender cup, and then I'll proceed to add in water. You want to dilute that apple cider vinegar. So yeah, I'm going to pour in some water, just a little bit above the bananas and the spirulina, and then I'll go ahead and blend that up. So if you're wondering what spirulina is, it is a microscopic blue-green algae which is commonly found in Asia, Central America, and Africa. It grows in high salt alkaline water in subtropical and tropical areas. So the spirulina I'm using in this video is from the Chad Republic in Central Africa. So yeah, when I'm done blending, this is how it looks. It kind of looks very jelly-like. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and pour that in a bowl so that you can see it properly, and then I'll go ahead and add some more ingredients into the mask. Spirulina is rich in minerals, especially iron, which it has a very high content of it. It also has vitamin E, vitamin B6, vitamin C, and contains proteins, omega-6, and beta-carotenes. So yeah, those are some of the contents of spirulina. I'll go ahead and add some more of my hair growth oil into the mask, and then just mix it up. Yep, and the mask will be ready to be used. Now I'll go ahead and apply it to my hair. So remember when I said there was a reason I was adding apple cider vinegar? So I did my hot oil treatment not a couple of days, 2 days ago. I had to wash my hair, but I didn't get the time to do that. So I just wanted to add apple cider vinegar to help cleanse my hair. Because yeah, apple cider vinegar helps to gently cleanse your scalp, erases the dirt from the scalp and all of that. So I just wanted to throw that in there because I'm applying this on, let's say, dirty hair, but my hair is not that dirty, but yeah, just to remove that extra oil. As always, I'll begin applying the mask to my scalp. I always make sure I apply every mask to my scalp because that's where your hair is growing from. So you want to make sure the scalp is healthy. And by the way, I want to really cleanse my scalp and all of that. So yeah, I'm going to apply the mask to my scalp and to the length of my hair, and then just work it in. As you can see, this mask makes it very easy for me to detangle my hair. So yeah, I'll just massage it into my scalp as you can see me do, and then just carefully detangle my hair, which is already very easy because the mask has a great slip to it. Now moving on, I'm going to share with you guys some of the benefits of using spirulina on your hair. The high concentration of iron, fatty acids, and amino acids in spirulina helps to fight hair loss, promote hair growth by improving blood circulation to the scalp. It also strengthens dry, brittle, and damaged hair. Spirulina also helps to fortify and restore texture and volume to fine hair. So if you have fine hair like me, you want to include spirulina into your hair regimen because it's going to help you with volume. So yeah, it also helps to fight against dandruff and itchy scalp. So if you have scalp issues, you want to make sure you include spirulina into your hair regimen. That's why you see me applying it to my scalp, because it helps to promote healthy scalp. So you want your scalp to be healthy, because then again, that's where your hair grows from. So if your scalp is not healthy, then you cannot grow hair nor have healthy hair. So yeah, moving on, spirulina also moisturizes and redefines curly hair. So if you feel like you've lost your curl pattern, or your hair isn't obeying you or curling up as it would normally do, you want to make sure that you prepare this mask and apply it to your hair, and it's going to help to redefine your curly hair. Finally, spirulina also helps in detangling your hair. So like I mentioned before, it was really easy for me to detangle my hair, no stress, as this mask got a lot of sleep to it. So yeah, even using it without the banana will as well help in detangling your hair. I just wanted to add the banana for its benefits as well. I'll just continue applying the mask to my hair and scalp and massage it in, and just make sure that every strand of hair on my head is covered with the mask. Hope you've been enjoying this video thus far. Please, if you do like it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel below. And yeah, let me know in the comment section below if you've used spirulina before on your hair, and what are some of your favorite spirulina recipes to use on your hair. Let's go and share that in the comment section below. Before I go, I just wanted to say that spirulina comes in blue and green. So the one I'm using it looks blue greenish, but it's more greenish. So when you go to buy, don't be alarmed if you're given the blue one or the green one, because yeah, it comes in blue and also in green. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know, so that when you go to purchase, you're not alarmed or confused. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you found value in it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up again and subscribe to my channel down below. And yeah, I will continue to do more amazing videos or DIY videos for you all. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.